Do you have endometriosis? Did you wake up feeling crappy today too? Make my tea with me. It's my endometriosis tea. Hi, my name is Ashley. I'm a licensed massage therapist here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and I specialize in chronic pain and autoimmune conditions. We're going to start off the tea with a little bit of kava. I get all of my tinctures at Ellister's Elixirs, which is a neighbor and friend here in downtown Lancaster. I just add 1 dropper full for this. Now this is the secret weapon. This is my red raspberry leaf tincture, and it's just an extract. You can always use red raspberry leaf tea if you'd like, but I'm using a lemon hibiscus tea. I like to add 2 of those, sometimes 3 if it's an exceptionally bad day. This is a gut and brain. I got this at a cafe called Amanita down in downtown Lancaster. And I just add 2 of these as well. And then I usually add this to my coffee more than anything else, but today I just wanted to add it to help instill more calm in my day. It's my CBD tincture from Ellister's Elixirs, and I add 2 of those every time. I also have a wonderful client who keeps their own bees, and they usually come in and tip me in their most amazing honey. This is their wildflower honey, and I'm adding just a little bit. I find that adding things like local honey and bee pollen, which is coming up next, is a great way to help with some of that allergy, congestion, and sniffles, and sneezing, and all that good stuff. Now I have this little milk thistle spoon. It's a teaspoon, literally, and I add just a little bit to that. I find whenever I'm just spent or moving slowly due to the pain of endo, that this tea kind of helps me get a little bit more bearable. It allows me to move and work through a lot of that pain or painful periods. And I have a few clients today. I'm going to be doing a couple other things here and there, and this tea is definitely going to get me through. I drink about 3 cups of these, and the last 2 cups usually only have red raspberry leaf tincture in it. That is my first cup of the day, but know that I will be making at least 3 more before 11 o'clock. I find that drinking at least 2 or 3 cups of tea with red raspberry leaf tincture in it specifically really helps get me through my day. But hopefully I'll be able to get through my entire day today. If this helps, let me know. If you have any other suggestions